Alright guys, how's it going? English Twist, I Take Assist. Thanks for joining me in part 2 of my review of the Canon HG10. Where is that little beauty? There it is. See, the Canon HG10 video camera, okay? And if you haven't caught the first half of this video, I encourage you to press the little button to the side there and actually take yourself over to part 1. Alright, but where we left off in the first portion was we were talking about the menu functions. Okay, so again, you have the quick shortcut menu here, which is where you can take care of the focus, exposure. What else have we got in here? That's exposure right there, brightness, focus. And you can change it with, see how that had a little light bulb there. I can actually turn on the light. You can see in the video there's a light that comes on for low light situations. There's a number of different things you can do, the different types of focus there. Alright, and this all works off of that little pad right there, left and right click, up and down. Okay, and then you have the second functions, which is actually this right here, which is where you get into the in-depth menus. Okay, and this is the different modes that you have, and this all works off of this spiraling little spinner controller here. See, and you just flick through the menus, and I'll talk through a number of the menus with you. And right here we have the different modes that I was talking about, and these are all just different types of views. That's the cinema mode that they promote quite heavily with this camera. That's apparently a very nice, makes it very smooth and fluid motion. And apparently it makes it just like a TV, Then we have portrait mode. That's obviously if you're in a close, someone doing a monologue or something, person to person. Program AE, that's just basically your basic formats. The TV shutter, that's I guess if you're shooting a computer screen or something like that, it changes the frame rate. I'm not quite sure exactly what these all mean, but I'm giving you a bit of common sense knowledge here. Aperture Prio AE, not quite sure what that mode is, but as you can see it sports a whole host of different styles. Then we have the full array of different types of exposure. Obviously the best one to use is the manual. Now these guys are actually all your presets ones. Just before we go any further, this actually has a different type of mode. It has auto and it has P for personal. Okay, you just literally flip the switch and it changes it, and basically when you're in P mode you change everything manually to your own specifications. It's entirely personalized, okay? But if you have it on auto, it'll do it all for you. I mean, and that isn't like the run-of-the-mill cameras which says it does it for you and it's like, well, you still got to make adjustments. This camera, let me tell you, the footage on this is so crisp. I mean, it is like nothing else. It is wonderful. It is a sight to see, let me tell you, please. Alright, but I mean, it's 1080, it's 1080, seriously, you can imagine, alright? You've seen that on the TVs, right? So here we are. We've got the different types of clarity, low light, soft skin. This is detailing, you see, this is different detailing. We've got vivid there. And this is all function with the left and right buttons, or you can do the, I think if you select it, this spiral is definitely for the main menus, and then you use the left and rights for the sub menus. Okay, so here we are. We've got the different types of fading, little minor tweaks to your film footage. Pretty cool, right? Black and white, sepia art. This is all general stuff that you get with most cameras. And right here is the different quality. It's got the HXP, XP, SP, and LP. These are all filming in the different qualities. And you have there we are, there's the resolution, 920 by 1080. Simulated iRecord off. And you have the 848 by 480, which is still high definition to certain standards. It is by standard. Sorry, I should reword that. It is high definition, but it's a lower standard, right? Lower quality. Alright, and then you just exit out of that. But let me tell you guys, this is absolutely brilliant. I mean, what could I film right now that I can't really portray to you what really is, but there is the different menu. There's the actual menus for the actual camera setup, and right here is where I'm at right now. We have the same again here. We have the spiral control for the main column of menus, and then you can use the left and the right to get to the sub menus. Here we can adjust the brightness, the display setup. See, display screen, go back. Alright, there's just so much that this camera has to offer, guys. It's just wonderful. Let me see real quick, let me just remember how I got back to that menu now. Actually, I'm trying to remember. Oh, sorry, that's right. There we go. Alright, so here we are. There's the shutter, the zoom, digital zoom, zoom speed, focus, frame rate. Yeah, it does the whole 60i and PF24. That's to give you the PF24 is to give you that really fluid motion. Apparently that's a very nice detail. I've seen it in the store and I was amazed by it. I thought it was wonderful. It actually looked like it was a film on the camera, you know, it was like real film footage. But at the end of the day with these guys, and you know what, you can read up on these different menu things, and yeah, I'll just flip through them and you can pause this as it goes, and you know, you can take a look at what you want to online to do with this camera, okay? Because I don't want to blab on for much more about it, because if this video will be like the Insignia, you guys will ask me all the questions you want to know, alright? But let me tell you, this AVCHD format, okay, it might be compressed HD, so to speak, but let me tell you, this little camera makes huge files. And we're talking, if you want to convert and put it into Media Maker, wrong. It's gonna take you forever, and it won't be the quality, because like I've said before, when you make edits, when you make all these little edits in your movie makers and things like that, I'm trying to make it look pretty and it's just not working for me. When you make all these little edits, every little edit that you make, that actually affects the quality of your video, okay? It does actually affect the quality of your video. And if you were to just straight upload this to YouTube, I mean, now they do support HD, so I'm not sure if it would go up any quicker, perhaps. Well, it would take a long time, alright? And one thing I also didn't show you is it also supports the capability to put on one of the big mics, you know, the professional microphones that you see, you know, to help prevent wind blow and stuff like that. Yep. I just dropped that, that's not any good, is it? But yeah, this camera is an absolute brilliant thing. Is there anything that I haven't touched on? I told you about the 2.7. There's the angle vivid LCD, the anti-shake. Oh, it also supports the memory cards, the mini SD HC memory cards, which are the high capacity memory cards. I think I got one for my Insignia and my Samsung. I think you can get it like 32 gigs. I mean, they're huge. I mean, seriously, for these little memory cards, absolutely brilliant. So you're never going to get caught with your pants down, you know, not having any memory. But unless you're like me and you can't even remember what you were doing yesterday, I think I need to upgrade my memory card. That's a bit of a joke there, guys. But yeah, it takes pictures, like I said, and it does it all. And I'm going to put this video out there, and the questions will come. I know they're going to come. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for joining me on my little review of the camera itself. It has absolutely wonderful pictures. I shall try and upload a video using this, but to be honest with you, I don't think that I'm going to be using this for YouTube videos, guys. We're talking about $1,000 camera here. It's not really that type of thing, but if you're looking for a review, this is a one-stop shop. Shoot me the questions and I'll be glad to answer them for you, alright? So I really don't want to miss out, because last time I was asked so many questions off the camera that I wanted to make another video just to emphasize some of those points, but I think I really have. You know, the AVCHD format, HD compact size, full HD, 40 gig, 920 by 1080 res, the 10x HD video zoom, the camera exclusive DivX DV2, super range optical image stabilization, instant FX, 24p, the HD still photo grab from video. Yeah, you can make the videos and take pictures from the video, you know, without all that editing it down to cut a picture out of the video. You know, it actually does stills from a film. Advanced photo features, Coral applications. Alright, guys, I think we're good. I think I've hit on everything. Alright, guys, so but feel free, shoot me questions. Alright, shoot me questions. Let's open this one up. I got bloody thousands of hits, literally like about 15,000 hits on my Insignia camera. Let's do the same with this one. Alright, guys, I love the comments, I love all the questions. You know what time it is. It's time to rock out. This is English Twist signing.
day. I need a holiday. I need a holiday with my friends.